Welcome to Austria, welcome to Vienna. I've just landed here minutes ago. Let's start exploring this beautiful capital city. If you are new to the channel, my name is Timothy. I'm 18, currently an expat in Amsterdam studying business administration. I'm working in a startup. Also, I'm keen on entrepreneurship and Web3. Right now, strongly developing in product management. Usually, I'm hanging around Europe and Middle East with my girlfriend. Here, I share my thoughts and adventures. Welcome to another episode of my series in Vienna. Let's go into the city and see the most interesting gems and pearls. In this summer vlog from Vienna, I want to show you not only the amazing city center, but also the normal local neighborhoods. Electric car, so prevalent here in Vienna. I'm quite shocked how Vienna is calm, peaceful, like in the morning, and how clean the streets are. That's, I think, really nice to see after 3 weeks in Turkey. Typical thing for Germany and Austria as well, so the vending machines of weird stuff, for example cigarettes. I'm still not at the touristic center, but I think it's nice to see and also show you how the locals live in Vienna. Part of Vienna's neighborhood is, for example, this local market. I think this market has both the touristic and the local side, but the prices are quite high because we are in Austria. Classical fold clothes for girls. Oh, 30 euros almost. Because almost 1/5 of Austrian society is foreigners, migrants, so they have here a lot of products from different countries. So it's the same case as in UK or Germany. So a lot of Indian, Turkish and Arabic products here. After visiting the market, it's definitely time for the city center. Finally, we are going closer and closer to the main city center, so the architecture is getting more and more attractive. And this building is the Museum of Fine Arts. So beautiful, a lot of details, beautiful facade. Short opinion about Vienna, I just love the city. It's amazing, really. If you are a student on a budget, be aware that entrance to almost every museum is between 14 to 17 euros. Maybe because the excellent urban planning, the living in Vienna can be just very pleasant. For example, in the middle of the city, the middle of flowers, white flowers. And I think that people just feel good in well-designed cities and spaces. On my left side, the building of Austrian Parliament. Vienna is full of interesting architecture. Behind me one church and the city hall. Quite nice, yeah? Later we went into this 19th century Votiv Kirche in Vienna. Very beautiful. I'm just amazed by the stained glasses inside the church. Really nice. Here is the name. Definitely check this out. And it's for free. We are in German-speaking country, so of course kebab. If you're on a budget, places like that are quite good to save some money, because normal restaurants are very expensive here. Now we are in one of the most interesting supermarkets I've ever been to. This is a Spar supermarket in Palace. Look at that, ceilings and windows. When I am near to wines, it's good to mention that Vienna is a wine city. So this city is a place where wine is produced. So this is one big winery, and there is no many capital cities. Maybe Vienna is the only one on the whole world where the wine is produced. Around Vienna is 700 vineyards. Little wonder in this mild climate on the warm hills around Vienna is a plenty of place for growing the grapes. We are going further and further into Vienna, and more interesting buildings, much more decorated with some ornaments. Really interesting to see. Behind me is one of the most important places in Vienna, so Stevens Cathedral. And as you can see, crowds around the church and the main center. Behind me is building of famous Vienna Opera House, and a lot of pushy guys want to sell you the concert tonight show with Mozart or Strauss. But the building itself is quite nice. Let's finish our sightseeing today. Only few attractions left. monument of the man on the horse, I can finish this episode. Thank you for watching, thank you for sightseeing Vienna with me. I hope you liked the video. I showed you briefly the most interesting sights and also the local vibe of this beautiful city. Don't forget to subscribe and comment this video. See you in another vlog. Bye.